Is that how you're gonna do it?
Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Anessa Strabo! Okay, so today we have something very exciting happening
For us.
for all the planners out there. We have ordered
Unnecessary thing.
yeah. I'm broke again.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
The what is it? The Happy Planner.
Be happy, moms.
The Happy Box.
Okay. Oh my god, that's dangerous. It's heavy, right? Okay, I'll do this side.
Oh.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work. Except that I clearly can't open.
My favorite part is that it comes in a brown box.
Like me!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
It's another box. Another unboxing surprise! Okay. That one's yours, it's broken.
Actually, let me not do that. It's like a.
I think it should be well secured.
Well, at least it's well secured, you know?
Oh, there it's coming.
Okay, so which one do you want?
Okay, whichever one. The crinkly one. Okay. I'm opening, I'm unboxing, I'm going in.
No, never mind, you can't.
Sure you can.
No, you can't take the thing off.
I'm gonna take it off,
Oh, you should cut away from you. Something.
but not toward me. No.
Sorry. Ready? Wait,
I've been ready.
wait. Oh. What am I doing?
Okay.
Oh!
Okay. I think this one rips easy though.
Yeah.
I believe in you.
I'm not that strong. Cause I'm a queen.
Yes, she's opened the box. Oh my god, the first flap, the second flap, the third and fourth. Oh my gosh, more box, guys. This is what it comes in. Comes like, and then you know what?
So.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, mine is upside down. Hold on.
All the good stuff.
This is it. I'm kidding.
This is it. Okay, thanks for
I
watching.
feel like I don't want to rip the paper.
No.
This is not a sponsored video. This was paid for by us. Oh my gosh. The pretty paper. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh my, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go for this first.
Ooh.
Wow,
It's
it's so pretty. It's foiled.
I'm gonna read it. Oh. It just says everything that's inside.
You are magic.
I know I am. Here's all the things you need to shine bright this year.
What's first? Okay, fine. You touch that first.
Mine's all squished.
So is mine.
Okay.
There's nothing in it. Of course it's squished.
No, I know, but
Make your dreams happen. Okay, what does the inside look like? It doesn't smell like anything. Your face fits in there. What the heck? Okay, next thing. Okay. Oh my gosh, these look too good to use.
they're squishy.
Oh my god, but they're so
Ooh, I like this one.
This was my favorite one. Is this one so far? The love one at the bottom, the leafy
Ooh,
one.
yeah.
Here.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. I gotta do the YouTube thing. Do you guys see that?
You feel it?
Oh my gosh. Ooh, this rose is beautiful. That pink
Ooh,
one.
this one, yeah.
Next thing. Okay.
Do washi tape.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
no, this means I broke my washi tape for what I bought.
No.
I bought washi tape. Oh, these are the thinnest washi tapes that I have.
These are nice sizes.
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh my god. It kind of smells good.
You get a lot. Look.
Yeah.
I like this one. I like this florally one.
I like, yeah, the leafy floral. Okay. I thought you going for it. Ooh, it's so nice. What would I put in here?
Ooh.
Does this smell like, it smells like pancakes? Or like syrup?
Something like that.
Like breakfast.
Yeah, I was gonna say coffee, but not coffee. It smells like syrup or
Maple or... But it smells nice.
Yeah.
I wonder why though. Someone was eating while they were making it. Just kidding. Oh my gosh.
This fits very nicely in your classic Polania.
Yeah. I guess because now they
yeah.
gave you an order to go in. Oh my gosh, next thing is a sticker book. Okay. Quick flip through because I have to.
Oh my gosh.
This is a full sticker book.
Yeah.
30 pages. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna pick my favorite page.
I like these.
These are nice. Oh, I have the same one.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, I love gold. Ooh.
This one.
Ooh. This one's nice. Yeah, they're all nice.
We get the same one.
Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is a different shape too. Look, it's like
Yeah.
half a circle, or not
So
even
like-
half. It's more than half a circle. Oh, you see that shape? It's so
3/4
different.
circle. Ooh, I like this page. I like this page.
Oh, this page, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I think this is my favorite page so far. Oh, I like this. Oh. Ooh, wow, these are different.
Ooh,
These are different.
these are different. They're like
Ooh.
pill shaped.
Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, little tabs.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna use tabs for. Favorite page is
These little pill shaped.
yeah.
They're so nice with the way you describe them.
They're like pills.
I was just gonna say ovals. This one.
The same.
Nah, I got the one before you.
Oh.
It's so pretty. This is very much me.
Correct.
Wow.
What are these?
She grabbed this. This is the notepad. Wow, this is really cool. For your desk, I guess. It says get it done. Goals, things to do, notes, and then we
they're all like engraved. Not engraved, but they're all like
the foil is indented and let me see. Feel it. Oh my god, that's fancy. That's fancy, huh?
I don't want to use these.
You know
Wait,
what?
how many of these do you get?
You have 50?
52.
52?
52.
52. Oh, I guess it's 52.
One for every, one for every week.
Duh.
Yeah.
Good thinking.
Oh, I like that these are.
Oh, they're thin. They're just sheets, right?
Yeah. I thought they came like all together.
Today's, and then it gives you from 6 to 10. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah, that's a good day. Then you put the date, the main focus, to do, and grateful for. See that? You see that right there? And then on the back, you have some lined paper. Live your best life. How many of these come?
You get 20.
Aw, bummer. Here's a secret for ya. You could just photocopy it.
And then hole punch it if you have the Happy Planner hole punch. Or you do it the ghetto way like we do.
Yeah.
With the hole puncher.
It's not ghetto, it's resourceful. Okay. It works amazing. Oh. You could do that later.
I could. Okay.
Oh my god, I got a journal! Oh, fine, we'll do that first.
No, but it's all crinkled.
Mine is crinkled too.
Wow.
But the important part is fine. So yeah, I think these are like the window stickers. The removable kind. I'm gonna remove. I could probably put this one on my mirror. The I Am Enough. That would look so nice on my mirror right there. Yeah. You can also put these on, like, for example, frames.
Oh,
The glass of a frame or. Okay.
Nope.
Yeah. Oh, dang it.
Yeah, another set of rings.
Wow, I don't have this color. It's like a bronze.
This is like bronze. It's not gold, and it's not copper.
Oh my god, it's so sleek. Stay focused and extra sparkly.
It's just sparkling.
That's for me. That's for me.
I like this one. Radiate positive.
You can't tell. How come there's only 2 of them now? Oh, that's Teresa.
That's Teresa and the lady who. I like these little stripes on the inside.
Oh my gosh, the first page already starts behind the divider.
What if you want to reuse the
Right?
week of goals for this week? One area I would like to thrive in. Ooh. Little things that bring me joy.
Oh, that's pretty.
Simple ways I can be kinder to others. Intentions for this week.
And then it gives you a sheet of, like, I guess, a brain dump section.
More stuff. Whatever you're thinking, think bigger. This is also too pretty to use.
So we're gonna go ahead and ruin it anyway.
Next thing is this little piece of foam.
Oh my gosh, I didn't get one. What the heck? I got ripped off. I want my money back, kidding.
I want my piece of foam.
Okay. Last but definitely not least.
I want to open it upside down.
Oh, flap is open.
I opened it upside down.
I want to open it upside down. Oh, I opened it anyways. It's so nice. Read it, go.
This is a reminder that you can
Handle
Handle
whatever this week throws at you. Oh my gosh, and it comes with more free foam. Wow, it's sturdy.
Cheers.
It's sturdy. I didn't say dirty, it's sturdy. Okay, moment of truth. Ready? What is your favorite object here?
My piece of foam.
Darn it. I didn't get that stuff.
We are back.
After some technical difficulty.
I was putting in the envelope.
Whoa.
Obviously, you put it inside or outside, whatever you want.
For real. That's nice. It goes very well with my stickers. See? Just keep it all together. That's how you have to travel with this.
Yeah. Okay, that was it for this unboxing. Our very first unboxing.
Thank you so much for having me, Amy.
No problem. Thanks for being a planner addict with me. So tune in whenever else I decide to make another video. Let me know what you want to see.
Alright, is that it? Is that your ending?
Bye.
Bye. Oh wait, I'll do it.